Welcome, Brandon here with Showchrome Accessories to introduce another brand new item fitting the 2020 and newer Can-Am RT models with trunk, as well as all Can-Am F3 models with trunk. This is going to be our armrests. These armrests swing in and out for easy mounting and dismounting the motorcycle. These armrests also easily adjust for your swing tension. Some additional accessories that can be purchased would be the Showchrome Accessories beverage holder or the Hopnail armrest pouch. If you have any further questions, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE. And be sure to like us on Facebook as well as Instagram to stay up on all the new items. Again, thank you for watching and safe riding.